Number 5, your career is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And along the way, you will have plenty of opportunities to fail, plenty of opportunities to succeed. You'll get punched in the face, you get kicked in the midsection, you'll fall down. It's going to be about getting back up, and it's going to be about showing up every day. It's not going to be about, it's the tortoise and the hare thing. I mean, it's a classic fable for a reason. You sprint forever and you run out of gas early and you pass out and die. You show up every day and chip away at it. Drip, drip, drop, drop, a little bit at a time. It's not getting somewhere faster than the next guy. It's never giving up. And you'll find that the whole thing, professionally and personally, is not about the destination. There is no destination. The whole thing's about the journey. Stay present in the journey every day and show up every day. That is an almost irreplaceable skill.